Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I provide some tips and tricks for beginners who want to learn programming languages such as PHP, CSS, JSS, and others, and don't forget other supporting tools such as using a special framework for website creation. This channel is only for beginners. For those who are already professional in programming, there is no problem following this YouTube channel as reference material. From that on, for all who have just visited, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel to support this YouTube channel to growth. Of all the content that I uploaded previously, I apologize if my content isn't good in your opinion, but I will try even more so that my channel can be useful for all who want to learn this programming language. In terms of understanding the programming language, you can request via comments on the video. Then I will see, and if possible, I will help through the next video content. Before that, I want those who comment and request to convey the problem that is being experienced by saying politely, then I will be happy to find a solution. Thank you, and while studying.